Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 4 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got an amazing prize for you today. But before I get to that, I'm already laughing. What did one snowman say to another snowman? Hey, do you smell carrots? It's one of my favorite Christmas jokes, and I know I tell it every year, but it's a keeper. Anyway, on the 4th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new BK-301 8K 3-port switch. That's right. It's from our very good friends over at Orei. And boy, I can't say enough nice things about this company. They built some incredibly cool products. We've been working with them for years, and I just love the gear that they put out. But this one in particular is an 8K 3-port switch, which means you can connect 3 things up to it at 8K resolution, tap a button, and switch between them for display in your widescreen monitor. It's everything you'll want if you've got multiple computers or you've got a game console and some other things plugged into your widescreen TV. This will help you out. So the contest could not be easier, just like all the other contests. If you check down in the description below, there's a link. If you hit that link, it'll bring up a form. Just put your email in there and your username on YouTube, and that way I've got 2 ways to get a hold of you. We'll collect all the entries for up to 7 days. We'll pull a winner, and I'll send you an email. And that email will say, good news, you won the BK-301. Send us your address, and we'll ship it to you. And as I say every time, I don't care about the shipping charges. I don't care where you live in the world. I'll put it in a box and I'll send it to you, because this whole week, these 12 days, are all about paying back for all the subscribers that have subscribed to the channel and have been watching the channel and asking questions and all the cool things that are going on here. So we're giving this one away, and hopefully you'll win it. Now again, we're on day 4, which means I've got 8 more of these days to do. I got to get a lot of sleep tonight. I've been drinking a lot of coffee, so I think I'll try and get through all 8 of these this week. But anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate everything you've done for the channel. And stay tuned for the next 8. I'll be back tomorrow. And in the meantime, happy flying.